Hey guys, amazing creators, welcome to this video. Today I'm introducing an incredible Blender add-on that can turn your dream of owning a garage full of high quality cars into reality. This is the car teleporter add-on, packed with over 99 stunning permade cars, all with realistic textures and fully rigged models. In short, these cars don't just look fantastic, they're animation ready right out of the box. If you've been looking for a way to create high quality 3D animations featuring amazing cars, stay tuned, because I'll show you everything you need to know. To start, as always, we go to Telegram desktop. You must open Telegram desktop and you must install this file. You must drag file in desktop. Yes. So when you drag file in desktop, you must extract this file, for example, desktop, or extract here. The good news is that we did not set a password for this file. So now you must zip this file. Click right and add to archive and select zip and okay. So you must, after the finish, open the Blender. To install, go to edit, preference, add-ons, install, desktop, and select this file and install add-on and activate the add-on. So now you must press N. Once done, hit to the add-on settings and you'll have instant access to the full library of vehicle and tools. 99 plus pre-made cars. From classic to modern, there is something for every project. Realistic textures, zoom in and it looks like the real things. Fully rigged models, no need to one-time unrigging, it's all set. Simple animation integration, with just a few clicks, you can make the cars move, drift or even fly. So first let's pack a car. I'll go with this sleek sports car. I love Nissan GTR. So you can directly import it into your scene from the add-on menu. Add car. So easy. Now let's make it move. You must select make editable and select rig model. Go to pose mode. Now you can edit everything. So let's go. So you must go to timeline and select, for example, 0 and press A and press location rotation scale. So now, for example, select 50. so this car's movements are way smooth than mine. You can easily add multiple cars, assign unique paths, and animate them simultaneously. If you're part of a small team or just starting out, this add-on saves you tons of time and effort. You can even use these cars for commercials or game design projects. If you found this add-on interesting, hit the like button and share your targets in the comments. For a download, check out my Telegram channel or get it official from the creator's website. Stay creative, my friend, and keep building amazing stuff. See you in the next video. Take care.